This is my favorite coffee place. If you can't tell, I'm feeling super groggy this morning. Have a seat. Where's my coffee? I'm so groggy. Hello. Hello, world. Don't you love this coffee place? This is my favorite coffee place. It's called Old Ricefield Coffee. Oh my God, shut up. The sign here says Old Ricefield Parking. Oh my God. This is the parking lot where you'll park your scooter or your bicycle once you arrive here. And it's covered by a tarp. This is a tarp. And they have a tarp here to protect the seat of the scooter from the sun, because the sun in Vietnam is really hot. When I drove the scooter here, I had to wear a helmet to protect my head. So I wore this helmet. Let's go inside. If you can't tell, I'm feeling super groggy this morning. Groggy is when you feel tired and you need to wake up. So I need to wake up. I need a coffee to wake up. So let's go. Let's get a coffee and wake up. The rooster has a lot of energy. To get to the coffee place, we have to walk over this little bridge. This is a bridge. The bridge is made of bamboo. This is bamboo. Suspended over the bridge, there's a sign and it reads Old Ricefield Food and Drinks. And that's the name of the coffee place. It's my favorite coffee place here in Vietnam. Do you know what this is called? Or this? This is a flag. These are all flags of Vietnam. Let's walk over the bridge. Right now I'm walking over the bridge. And this is called a lantern. A lantern. This lantern is pink in color. I'm so groggy. Can you see my eyes? Do they look groggy? I really need a coffee. Follow me. Let's order a coffee. Good morning.
Long time to see.
Yeah. I'm so groggy. You know what groggy means? Groggy means like I'm tired and I need to wake up.
Oh.
So I need coffee. So I think I came to the right place. This is the right place for coffee.
Yes. Good coffee.
Okay. I'm gonna get a Vietnamese black coffee with ice.
Yes.
And one coconut coffee as well. Okay, thank you. Now we need to find a place to sit. Wow, there's so many options. There's a table here that's made of wood with 2 chairs. These chairs are red in color. On top of the table, there's a pink orchid. Super beautiful, right? And then suspended above the table, there's 2 beautiful lanterns. And this lantern is white, and this lantern is pink. There's beautiful pink flowers in a pot on top of the table. And they smell beautiful, actually. Yeah, they're roses. These are roses. I've never seen this type of rose before. On the stem of the rose, you can see thorns. And they're very sharp. If you touch the thorns too hard, you can prick your finger and then your finger might bleed. These chairs are blue and this orchid is white. Also so beautiful. You can see some of the flowers still haven't bloomed yet. This one hasn't bloomed and these ones, they haven't bloomed yet. But soon they'll look like this. Let's find a place to sit. This table has a beautiful view of the landscape. I think this is a really nice location. Where's my coffee? I'm so groggy. Give me my coffee. Have a seat. Can you see this right here? This swollen area? I got a mosquito bite and you can see that it's swollen and it's really itchy and really annoying, especially when you're groggy and you haven't woken up in the morning. The last thing you want is a mosquito bite. But the owner of the cafe, she brought us a fan and the wind will help keep the mosquitoes away. So hopefully I won't get another mosquito bite. This is the landscape of what we can see where we're sitting right now. In the landscape, first of all, you can see the rice fields, and further in the distance, you can see a mountain. And over there, you can see a house. And here you can see trees in the landscape. Our coffee just arrived. It's served in a glass with ice. And I can stir the coffee with a straw. And I'm hoping that it makes me feel less groggy. I'm not ready to take my sunglasses off yet because my eyes still look tired and I'm cranky. Cranky is when you are irritable and little things annoy you that normally wouldn't annoy you. Like maybe loud noises or somebody waking you up in the morning when you're still sleeping and you wanted to sleep longer, or maybe your cat woke you up because it was hungry in the morning and you didn't get enough sleep, so you're cranky. So I'm feeling cranky right now and I'm hoping that this coffee helps. I'm not ready to take my sunglasses off yet because I feel like my eyes look really tired right now. The reason why I'm cranky is because I didn't get enough sleep last night. I went to sleep at 2 o'clock in the morning and I woke up at about 5 o'clock in the morning. So I only got about 3 hours of sleep. When I woke up at 5 o'clock in the morning, I tried to go back to sleep and I just couldn't go back to sleep. Sometimes I wake up and my mind races. When the woman that owns the place brought our coffees, she brought us 2 cold, wet towels. And it's really warm today. Whenever she brings these, I undo the towel, I unroll the towel, and I usually put it on my face, on my neck, and my arms to cool myself down. And it feels really refreshing. And I'll put them on my legs like this. It looks really funny, but it keeps you cool. And it shades my legs from the sun so that I don't get a sunburn. When the owner brought us the coffee, she also brought us cold water in a glass. So it's also refreshing to have a sip of water when you're groggy and hot and cranky. I might need to take a nap later so that I don't feel as tired as I do right now. I need another coffee. Where can I get another coffee? You can see the color of the rice field. It's sort of green. Usually it's really green. Right now it's a cross between yellow and green because the harvest happens sometime in September and October, depending on the weather. You can also see that the rice is almost ready to be harvested. These are the rice grains. These are grains of rice. And in the distance there, you can see the crop burning. After they harvest the rice, they burn the crops. I think I'm feeling a little bit more perky. Perky means you're feeling a bit more energetic, like you're feeling a bit more energized. So I had 1 coffee, so I'm feeling a little bit perky, but I'm still not perky enough to remove my sunglasses. So I'm gonna get 1 more coffee. I think I'll be in a position to give you a tour of the rest of the place. So let's get 1 more coffee. Let me know in the comment section below if you think I'm still groggy and if you think I still sound like I'm groggy and tired. Does my voice still sound tired to you? Let me know in the comment section below. I'm still tired, so I need more coffee. Can I get another Vietnamese black coffee?
Yes.
Then I think I'm gonna be more awake. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
No smoking. No smoking. Thank you. I have my second coffee. I'm gonna take 1 sip of this coffee and then I think I'll be ready to remove my sunglasses. Oh yeah, I'm ready. The sunglasses are coming off. I'm going to take off my sunglasses. You can also say, I'm taking off my sunglasses. You can also say, I'm going to remove my sunglasses. After I take my sunglasses off, you can say, I took off my sunglasses or I removed my sunglasses. English is fun, right? Let me know in the comment section below if you think that English is fun. Is English fun or is it not fun? Also, let me know if I sound better and look less groggy. Do I look like I have more energy now? Do I look happier? Okay, maybe one more sip. Yeah, I think I look better. Let me take you on a little tour of the place. Let's see what we can see. So we switched tables. We were sitting at a round table. This table is round, but we decided to move and now we're sitting at this table, which has a really odd shape. This table is made of glass. It's a glass table. And this table is wood. And we were sitting on chairs, but now we're sitting on a bench. This is a bench. In this cafe, there are many different flooring surfaces. The flooring here is wood flooring. Over here, the flooring is tile. It's tiled flooring. The flooring is made up of multiple tiles. The flooring here is made up of stone, multiple square stones. The flooring here is made up of bricks, and the bricks are rectangular in shape. In this area of the cafe, they're doing some maintenance work. You can see on this table, they have various construction equipment, such as a drill and screws. This is scaffolding. This is a ladder. You climb up the ladder and you can get to the top of the roof. This is the roof. This is a sign indicating where the bathroom is. WC stands for water closet. W stands for water and C stands for closet. You can see that there's a sign here for the women's bathroom. And then there's a sign here for the men's bathroom. And there's a sink, a white sink with a faucet to wash your hands. There's a mirror to make sure that you don't look groggy or tired. After you wash your hands, you can use a towel to dry your hands. These are towels. To wash your hands, you need soap. When you're finished drying your hands with the towel, you put the towel inside of this basket, and you can see on my shirt that it's wet because I'm sweating. This is sweat. You can also say I'm perspiring. This is perspiration. Perspiration. Because it's very hot in Vietnam. Surprise, surprise. I'm gonna go back to my coffee. I'm sipping my coffee with a straw. I just took a sip of my coffee. So once I've taken a sip of the coffee, you can say, I just took a sip of my coffee. But now I'm about to take another sip of my coffee. I'm going to take a sip. You could also say, I had a sip of my coffee. I just had a sip of my coffee. English is fun, right? Thank you very much. Yeah, I feel better. Yeah, I feel more awake now. But I might need to take a nap later when the effect of the coffee goes away. See you next time.
Yes.
If you found this video helpful to your English learning journey, and if you have sympathy for how tired and groggy I feel this morning, then please hit the like button and consider subscribing to my channel so that you don't miss out on future videos